So, how can you maximize your email lists? Start with email marketing automations. Now, the whole idea of email marketing automations is to get rid of repetitive tasks from your to do list and to actually free up your time to allow you to do other valuable tasks like making sales for your business. Today, I'm going to be sharing some email automations that are easy to set up and will be of great benefit to your business. So, hi everyone, it's Leanne Cohen's here, digital success coach and owner of the agency Marketing Lead. And the whole purpose of doing these particular videos and my actual passion is to demystify digital marketing for business owners and entrepreneurs through educational courses, training, and giving you back marketing clarity and confidence, as well as practical, done for you marketing solutions that will actually work and springboard your business to success. Every week I go live, and all these tips and info that I do share, they're all strategies that we use in the agency for our clients and also for my own business Marketing Lead. And I know they work, and I know that they are really successful and effective. Today, we're talking about 3 of the best examples of email marketing automations to actually help you get rid of the repetitive tasks from your to-do list and free you up to make sales. So email automation is a great way to create emails that reach the right people with the right message at the right time. Now, the whole idea is to send automated messages and leverage a marketing automation tool. And I've done a video previously talking about all the different automation tools, pros and the cons. So I'll put the link to that below, as well as 9 different email marketing campaigns that every business should actually set up. So both of those links I will leave below for you so you can check those out. But when you link your website analytics to your email marketing platform, you can target people based on behavior, preferences, and even previous sales. So you can actually personalize each customer's experience and increase the relevance of your automated campaigns and actually make your customers feel important and make them feel that you are paying attention to them. Drip campaigns and marketing automation only function correctly if they are carefully constructed and they're tested. So like anything to do with online marketing, you have to test and measure. You can't just switch them on and keep fingers crossed and hopefully they work. Now, drip campaigns usually drip useful content about a company, product, or your industry. With the right email automation, the drip campaign messages will only go out to prospects who have actually been interested or have shown some kind of interest in what it is that you do. So what I'm actually going to do is I'll just give you an idea of what this looks like here. So this is a really good example of a drip campaign. So you can see here, you send a welcome email, wait for 3 days, and then from there you send different emails depending on what it is that they need. And that can then be broken down depending on what actions that they take and the interest that they show. So you're not doing a blanket email to everybody. You are actually just targeting people based on their actions. Now, the other thing that you can look at is the email automation, which is more of a if this, then that. And so that when a customer subscribes, then you can send them a welcome email. If they leave products in their cart, then you can get an abandoned cart, and you can actually see here, they buy a product, they get an email. If they say yes, then they go through, and you can continue the email automation and the email marketing funnel all the way through. So to choose the most effective strategy when it comes to running your automation, like I said, these campaigns do require really careful planning and research. You can actually have a look at, and I'll list some of the email automation examples below now that will actually help you upgrade your email marketing automation game. So like I said, one of the first things is looking at your welcome campaign or a welcome email. So the minute someone subscribes or they buy a product or something, or they connect with you, then you send them a welcome email. And a successful campaign that's using a welcome email is a great way of actually starting a workflow when it comes to connecting with your ideal client. And like I said, you can start immediately the minute they join your contact list or they subscribe to something. And customers who receive welcome emails are actually 33% more likely to have a long-term engagement with your business and with your brand, which makes them extremely valuable when you're looking at the cost and the return on your investment. So welcome emails have pretty much become very much like the thank you notes after a job interview or something. There's no rule that says you have to send them, but it is noticed when you don't. And 74% of people expect to receive an welcome email campaign when they subscribe to a mailing list. Now that's huge, 74%. And welcome emails actually get 4 times more reads and 5 times more clicks than any standard marketing email. So if you're going to get really good engagement, having your welcome email set up is one of the first things you need to do. And especially considering that they actually generate 320% more income per email than any other promotional message that you send out. With the welcome email, you introduce your brand. In the first email, you could write a few sentences explaining how you differ from your competitors, what you have in common with your customers. So you're building a bit of a relationship, and why you're excited about them joining basically your circle or your tribe or your customer base, whatever you want to call it. The second email after a welcome subscriber, you can give an incentive to purchase or to learn more or to download something. And if you are in e-commerce, then what you can do is send a coupon code in the email when they give you their email address. And that encourages them with a clear call to action to go to your website and hopefully buy from you. And then the third email that you need to send in this particular sequence is setting the right expectations. You've introduced yourself, you've told them a little bit about your brand and what you're about, but setting the right expectations is actually telling them how often they can expect to hear from you. You generally get, I'm not going to spam your inbox, but expect an email from me once a week or once a fortnight with some really helpful tips or with discounts or with promotions, whatever it is that you do. So you can actually put some really helpful information in there. So whether it's videos, coupons, or something else. And then you can also invite them to connect with you across all your different social media accounts and different platforms as well. The second type of automation is your lead nurturing email. And these are really great opportunities to keep your leads engaged. And again, there's a big difference between having a lead and having a customer. But the nurturing email will actually keep your leads engaged when they sign up from your email list and convert them, hopefully, if you've got it working the right way, to becoming customers when they're ready to buy whatever it is that you have to offer. So, the sales cycle, or this particular cycle, could last several days, it could be several months. But having a lead nurturing email sequence or email automation is really important. And again, when it comes to the lead nurturing, the first email is actually educating them. The second email is helping them to get to know your brand. The third could be a little bit of storytelling, whether it's a unique story about your team member, something that you've done for a client, or even just something about yourself. And then you can, depending on what automation platform you use, actually send out another email based on how they behave and how they interact with your emails. That is really great because it actually lets your customers know that you are watching what they do and that they are important to you. And again, the whole idea of email is to build these customer relationships. Now, the third email automation is having a customer re-engagement email series. So you can actually set up in a lot of the platforms to target people who haven't opened any of your emails in a while. You could send them a targeted email, giving them something of offer to actually get them to re-engage with you and reconnect with you. So whether it's, a discount or some kind of a promotion that you're offering, that's actually going to start building the loyalty and the brand advocacy that you need as a business owner. The email marketing automation is a powerful tool because it does save you time and it does save you money. And it actually helps you when it comes to integrating with everything else that you use in your business. Now, there's a couple of extra ones here that I think are really important for business owners, and it's a great thing to have automated as well. One of the first things is to ask for a product review. Now, a lot of e-com businesses do this automatically, but even if you're in a service business, have it set up that after they've been working with you for a set amount of time, you can actually ask for a review and get feedback on what it is that you have to offer. You can send a follow-up promotion and let them know that if you've got something running with a certain deadline, and then you can actually follow up this list with a sequence to keep them engaged and keep them coming back. There you go. Those are the email marketing automations for your small business. Now, like I said, initially you need to decide whether you need a drip campaign, which is to gradually drip useful content about your company, product, or your industry, or whether you're going to set up email automation and sequences, which is effectively if this, then that. So if they do something, then they're going to get this particular email once they subscribe. And then the particular email automation examples that I've used, having a welcome email with a possible sequence, having a lead nurturing email to educate, to tell stories and to build the relationship. You can set up a customer re-engagement email series, ask for a product review, and then send a follow-up promotion. So like I said, I do have another video where I talk about the 9 different email campaign types. That link will go below, so you can check that out as well and see what you can apply to your business as well. And whether we like it or not, 2023 is only weeks away now, and everything's full of Christmas stuff. And as the saying goes, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So now is the best time to start looking at setting up a strategic plan to hit the ground running when 2023 starts. And if you'd like to learn more about how I can help you do that, then drop a comment below, or let's have a little bit of a chat, because whether it's a strategy session or whether you want to actually come and physically sit and join me for one of 2 VIP planning days that I have coming up. And if that's all just a bit too much for you and you just want someone to do it for you, through my agency Marketing Leap, we offer a full range of digital marketing services and done for you realistic practical marketing solutions. So whether it's websites, SEO, social media management, paid media ads, Facebook and Google, or just lead generation, and we do quite a bit of lead generation on LinkedIn actually, that will actually deliver results and hit the spot for your customers, please reach out and have a chat to me, and let's see how we can actually help your business grow, because everything that I do is designed to give you clarity, generate leads, and stop you drowning in the overwhelm. So next week, I will be talking about planning ahead for 2023 and how you can grow your small business to get ahead of your competitors as we move into the new year. So in the meantime, guys, have an amazing week, and I will see you again next week. Bye for now. So if you'd like to learn more about how to grow your business online and how to show up in such a way that makes people want to work with you and want to buy from you, then make sure you click the subscribe button below, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified every single time we upload a new educational video.